Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to hide photos on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on your profile. Scroll down to the photo that you want to hide. Tap on the three vertical dots next to it. Select Edit Privacy and tap on Only Me. Tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. Now only you will be able to see this post. And that's it. This is how you hide photos on Facebook. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.